nga pala si Dominic. Magpipitong taon na dito sa Canada. Wala pa rin nipon. Bale, 30 minutes na lang. Malapit na pala kami sa Waskasu. Kita kong signboard, binabasa ko West Waskasu Macphail Lake. Nako po, malapit na yata kami. Magta-turn left na ako. Kaso sabi ng asawa ko, medyo 20 minutes pa daw ang biyahe namin para makarating kami sa may entrance. Kaming malaking lake. Yan nga pala ang pinaka-beach na dito sa Canada. Gustong gusto ng mga Canadian dyan. Dyan sila nagpipishing, nagboboting at nagsiswimming. Ang bagal naman nito. Bukas, nandito na kami. Magbabayad na kami ng entrance fee. Bali $32 pa lang binayadan namin kasi mag-stay kami ng 2 nights.
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. We're checking out on 17.
Okay.
Sa 7?
7, sorry.
And how many people are in the car?
We are only 3.
3? All adults?
No.
One kid.
One kid?
Yeah.
How old is kiddo?
He's 11.
11. Offer bear safety guide at all?
Yes, please, thank you. This is our first time here.
Oh, really?
We come from Saskatoon.
Do you have anything special that you want to do or just...
Actually,
just
we're
relaxing.
and looking around, enjoying the place.
So we
And
do have some restaurants near Dash.
yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Bayad na tayo ng Provincial Park Fee. Napalaban tayo ng Inglesan dun. Buti na lang, meron tayong baon na English. Hanggang dito na lang. Abangan part 4.